Now, cousin, I hope that you have looked inside of TikTok to see that you can earn money. If not, let me show you how to do it. So let's say you go to your profile. You need to look for TikTok Studio. Once you click on there, you're going to be in a page that we call analytics in the digital marketing world. Once you get in there, there's a creator reward program where you can be rewarded for your content that's original, and you don't want to do any duets and stitches to try to earn this reward. This one is really strict to your creativity and your creativity only. They qualify it by paying you for qualified views, which means videos that are a minute plus and people are in tuned and engaged more than 5 seconds on the video. If you want to support your favorite creator, this is a free way to do it by making sure that you tune in and really dive into what they're talking about, especially if it's someone that you really enjoy watching.